Hello. Hello.
Hello sir.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Hello sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes sir, बोलिए.
Yes, yes,
Yes
yes.
sir, I can hear you now.
Yeah, now I can hear. Earlier it was the voice was not coming. Okay, let's just start now, right? So yeah, let's just start without wasting any more time. Okay, so did you watch the lectures which I gave you on WhatsApp to watch some videos?
Yes sir.
Okay, okay. So in that we have discussed about pronunciation, right? So were you able to understand something in that? I cannot hear you again.
Yes sir. Something was. Something.
No, your voice is not clear.
Yes sir.
Your voice is not clear. Please keep the mic near to you.
So now can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear. Yeah, so I am playing that video again, once
sir.
again. Okay, listen to that.
Okay.
That ABCD video I have shared my screen.
Okay.
Listen to this. I am playing this video again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, listen to it twice.
Okay.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z.
Okay, got it. So this was the German ABCD video,
Yes.
right? Now we'll compare it with English. See, in English, what do we say? In English, we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right?
Right.
Okay. Yeah, speak little bit louder. In
Yes.
English, we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In German, we will say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You have to repeat after me. A, B, C, D. Speak. Yeah.
Okay.
You have to speak
A
after
B
me.
C D.
Yeah, speak louder. A, B, C, D.
Yes sir. A B C D.
Yes, like this. A, F,
A B
G.
C D.
A, F, G.
A F G.
G, G.
A
A, F,
F
G.
G. A F G.
Then H, I, J, K.
A E J K.
L, M, N, O, P.
L M N O P.
Good. Q, R, S, T.
U R S T.
U, V,
U V.
Good. Then X, Y und Z.
X Y und Z.
Yeah, X, Y und Z. Okay. Und means and. When I say
X,
the word
Y.
und means and. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, when I say und means and. X, Y und Z.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So listen to it once again. I'm playing it once again. Okay. 2 times I'm playing it. Listen to it.
Okay.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z.
Yeah. Once again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y und Z.
Okay. Got it. So now repeat after me. A, B, C, D.
Got it.
Yeah. Speak. A, B, C, D.
A B C D.
A, F, G.
A B C D. A F G.
H, I, J, K.
H E J K.
L, M, N,
L M N
O,
O
P.
P.
L, M, N, O, P. Yeah. Q, R, S, T.
Q R S T.
R, not R. Q, R, S, T.
R Q R S T.
U, V,
U V.
X, Epsilon und Z.
X, Epsilon und Z.
Okay, got it now? Right?
Got it, sir.
X, Epsilon und Z. This is how we have to do this. Right? X, Epsilon und Z. So, what is the purpose of this ABCD? See, whenever you have some capital letters, example, let's say if I say the word BMW, so you will not say BMW, you will say BMW. Okay? You have to use the German list of letters, so you have to speak BMW in that case. Simple? So, this video I will share with you. Okay? Later you can download and keep on listening to it. Now, we'll start with the actual topic of the pronunciation rules. Okay? So far, you have just done the ABCD list. Now we'll see the sounds. That what is the sound of A, what is the sound of B, like that. I have shared one PDF. I have shared the screen. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Right. So German, as you know, it uses the same Roman set of alphabets from A till Z. So we have two parts: vowels and consonants. Right. First part is the vowel, and the second part is the consonant. Vowels are from A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are
Vowels.
from B, C,
It's
D till Z. Tell me.
Sir, sir, it's vowels or vowels, sir?
Vowels,
Like
vowels.
A, I, U, U.
Vowels, not
Vowels.
vowel. It's not called vowel, it's called vowel. Vowels. Okay?
Wow. Okay.
Yes. So, first rule is whenever any word ending with B, D, and G, any word ending with B, D, and G,
Okay.
okay? In German, any word ending with B, D, and G, the sound is Perta and K sound. You have seen in the video also, right? Perta and K. So, if you see
Sir,
here,
Sir, can you zoom this
Yes.
picture, please?
yes,
Actually,
yes, sure,
I can't.
sure, sure. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, B,
Yes, sir.
D, G,
Yeah.
yes.
Now it's better, sir.
Okay. B, D, G, P, T, K, any word ending with B, D, and G respectively will be per, ta, and ka. Per, ta, and ka sound will come. Okay. Respectively, it will be the per, ta, and ka sound. For example, G, I, B. Right? G, I, B. So
Right.
it's ending in B. So how you will speak
Yeah.
this?
It's Jeep.
Geep.
G-E-E-P.
Okay.
Jeep.
Geep,
Means it.
Geep. Not Jeep,
Yeah.
it's Geep. Ga. Geep.
Okay.
Okay.
Jeep.
Geep. Then K-I-N-D. K-I-N-D. It's ending in D. So how you will speak this? Kint.
Kind.
Kint.
Sorry. Kint.
Hmm.
Okay.
And next, TAG. TAG, it's Tag. Speak Tag.
Tag.
Yes. Geep,
Tag.
Kint, and Tag.
Tag.
Okay. Geep, Kint, and Tag. Got it? So
Got
this
it,
is
sir.
how we have to do this. Geep, Kint, and Tag. So now, see the first vowel. First vowel is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. A and A. Okay, A and A. So after A, if it is one consonant, consonants are your B, C, D till Z. After A, if you have one consonant directly, after A, if you have one consonant directly, then it will have the A sound. It will have the A sound, otherwise A sound. So see here, A, L, T. After A, how many consonant?
Two consonants, sir.
Two consonants. Okay, and next one, after A, how many consonant?
One consonant, sir.
One consonant directly, because after that E is there, so we'll stop the
G,
counting.
after G, it's vowel.
Yeah, so we'll stop the counting. Only one is there. Okay. Similarly, TRAGEN. How many consonant? Only one.
Only one consonant.
Right. So ALT, FRAGEN, TRAGEN. So after A, two consonants. So it will have the A sound. Speak the example. Alt.
Okay.
Alt. Okay. Example is alt.
Alt.
Then FRAGEN. Speak Fragen.
Fragen.
Then speak Tragen.
Fragen.
Tragen. Correct.
Dragon.
Okay. Right.
Dragon.
Yes. Then next is E. Okay. E is having the A sound. E is having the A sound. Speak SN.
A
SN.
sound. SN.
Next, egal.
Egal.
Egal. After A one
Egal.
consonant. Yes. After A one consonant, that will have the A sound. Egal.
Acha. Egal. Okay.
Right. Next is
Got
I.
it.
Yeah. Next is I. I is having long E and short E. I is having long E and short E. Okay.
Short.
Long E and short E. So speak the example.
Asset.
Ist.
Ist.
Yeah. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E. Otherwise short E.
Built.
Okay.
Built.
After I, if it is one consonant, then long E, otherwise short E. So first is
Right.
ist. Ist, next wieder and built.
Is it? Wieder?
Ist, wieder and
Built.
built.
Right, sir.
Yeah. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E,
Wieder and
otherwise
built.
short E. Okay.
Right, sir.
Got it? So ist, wieder and built.
Okay, sir. Got it. Got it, sir.
Next is O. O is having two
It's
sounds.
Wieder and built.
O is having two sounds, O and O. O and O. Okay, after O, if it is one consonant, then O sound, otherwise O sound. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound, otherwise it's O for awesome sound. So speak the first example. It is only one consonant after O. This is odor.
Order.
Odor.
Yeah.
Next.
Order.
Next.
Next. Next. Zol.
Zol. Zol. Next is Zol.
Zol.
Correct. Okay,
Zol.
single S is the, double S is sir. Single S is the,
Then.
and double S is sir. So after O2 consonant, that is Zol.
Okay. Okay. So one query is there. The S sound will be Z, right? Z,
Yeah.
Z for zebra, right?
Yeah. The single S is the, single S is the.
The S sound.
Okay, correct. Single
Single S
S
is
is the.
Z. And double S is Sa.
Double S is sir.
Double S is Sha.
Correct. Double S is
Okay.
sir. Okay. Yes.
So, okay.
So Zol. Next.
Then the spell will be Zol.
Yes. Single S is the, double S is sir. Correct. So Zol. Next.
Zol. Next. Monad.
Monad. Next.
Monad. Quap.
Corp. Monad and corp.
Corp.
Okay.
Corp. Okay.
Monad and
Okay.
corp. Order Zol,
Corp.
Monad and corp.
Corp. Okay.
Okay. Next is U. U is
Okay.
having the U sound. U is having the U sound. So speak the example.
O sound. It's
Yeah.
Tun.
Tun.
Mutter.
Mutter.
and Shu.
Shu. Tun, mutter and shu. Okay.
Shu.
Tun, mutter and shu.
Okay.
Correct.
Shu. Because the Shu sound will be SCH, which you explained in the previous video.
Yes.
The SCH will be sound as.
Sha.
The
Sure,
H will be
sure.
silent.
SCH will be sha and
But
H in the end will be
if you
silent.
put
Okay.
together-
Yes. SCH is a consonant
Yeah.
combination, so SCH is having the sha sound. Okay. SCH is having the sha sound and H in the end is silent. Right?
Okay, sir. So one more query is there.
Yeah.
Whenever the SCH will be there, the sound will be sure, right?
Always sha sound. In SCH, always sha sound. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Got it.
Okay. So first of all, I am sending you this PDF. Okay. Come on to your Zoom chat. I am sending you the PDF.
Okay.
So first of all, you download the file.
Yes, sir. I had come in the chat.
I have sent you this file. You will get on the chat. Come to the Zoom chat. I have sent that pronunciation part 1 file. Open that.
I didn't receive, sir.
Check his chat. Check on the Zoom chat.
It's not showing, sir.
Are you getting my message on chat or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So did you get the
I
file?
get your message.
Did you get the file? Part 1 PDF?
No, sir.
No? Okay, tell me your
No, sir.
email
I
ID.
didn't get.
Yeah, I got that. Tell me your email ID. Okay. I'll send you
Sure.
an email. Okay.
Okay. I'm just typing.
Write it. Write the email ID. Write the email ID.
You received?
Yeah, I got that. So I'm sending you the file on mail. Okay.
Okay, sir.
1 minute.
Thank you so much, sir.
No problem. Wait. Yeah, I have sent the file on mail. Okay, check your mail.
Okay, sir. Checking out, sir.
Yeah.
Got it, sir.
Okay, so download that part 1 file. Okay, pronunciation part 1 and
Okay.
revise the rules from AEIOU. Revise it for 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Revise it for 5 minutes AEIOU and then we'll discuss them again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Are you facing any problem? AEIOU? Any rule?
So I have a query. The query is like whenever the vowels like combine like I and E, it's what is the sound of this?
That is a vowel combination. Okay, so in that we don't have to apply the separate rules of E and I. Example, if you say EI, that is I sound, IE, that is E sound. That I will tell you after this. Okay,
Okay.
right? There are some around 20 combinations are there. Like SCH is okay, EI is IE is E. Around 20 combinations are there that we'll be seeing in after once we do ABCD till Z. After that we'll be seeing the combinations. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Right, sir. Clear.
Okay, clear, clear,
Clear,
everything?
sir.
Okay, good. Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
now the thing is, you have to start from A, you can see my screen, you have to start from A, like from this table, you have to speak the rule and then speak the example. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can see
Okay.
my screen, explain me the rule in short and then speak the example.
Okay. So starting with BT,
BTG,
BTG,
PTK?
BTK.
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever the B will be there in last, the
Hmm.
sound will be per. Like
Hmm.
like
Correct.
for example, it's GIP jeep. Like
Yeah,
in
Geep,
first it
Geep,
will be
Geep, it's
first
not
the
Jeep.
consonant will be is one, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Then
but
its sound is jeep.
no, 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 it's not Jeep. It's Geep, Geep.
Go. Keep.
Speak, Geep.
Okay. It's keep.
Yes.
Keep.
Next,
When second example will be kint.
next.
Whenever the ending D will be there, the sound will be t. It's kint.
Kind. Okay.
Then third example, whenever the ending will be G, it will be the sound of k. Means like ka, tak,
Tak. Okay.
tak.
Right. Next is A.
Then
Hmm.
then vowels, then vowels will be A will be two sound.
Hmm.
First will be R.
Hmm.
Whenever the one consonant will be there, the sound will be R.
Hmm.
Second, more than two will be there. It's A.
Oh.
For
Okay.
example,
Hmm.
fragrant. Fragrant
Hmm.
having one consonant. It's fragrant.
Correct. Alt,
Dragon.
Fragan, and Dragon.
Dragon will be also one.
Hmm.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Speak, speak.
Dragon will be only having one consonant. Is dragon.
Dragon. Okay. Next.
Dragon. Dragon.
Hmm.
E is having sound of A.
Hmm.
For example, ascent.
SN.
Ascent.
SN and Egal.
Ascent. Ascent and egal.
Correct. SN and Egal. Yes. Next, I.
I is also having two sound, short T, and whenever one consonant will be there, it's R E sound, short T, and whenever two more than two will be there, it's long E. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Correct. Long E
Like
and
for
short E.
example, it's a
Hmm.
more than for example first example will be asset because it's having more than two consonant.
Yes. Yes. Hmm.
And second will be builder
Weeder and
because it's
build.
only having one.
Yes.
Okay, builder.
Next.
Next will be built
Yeah.
because the last option last alphabet is T, and here at starting which is we had learned BTG PTK
Hmm.
like D will whenever D will be there the sound will be T T.
Correct.
That's why it's built.
Build. Yes. Next. O.
O is having also same like whenever one consonant will be there, more than two consonant will be there, it's O.
Hmm.
Then more than one consonant, so only one consonant will be there, it's O.
Hmm. Example. Order.
Example will
Zol.
be
Yeah.
order,
Yeah.
Zol, monad,
Hmm.
and quart.
Order, Zol, Monat, and Corp. Okay. Correct.
Call.
Next is U. U is having the O sound. Speak the example.
So is having an O sound. For example, it's tune,
Hmm.
T-O-O and tune, and motor.
Hmm.
Then shoe.
Correct. Okay. SH is sure, so
And
that
whenever
becomes
the
shoe.
H sound will be there, it will be silent.
Right. Correct. Okay. H in the end is silent. Yes. Now, next letter which we have is B. So B is having two sounds. B in the end is per. Okay. B in the end is per, and beginning
Per.
or middle is B for ball. B in the end is per, and beginning or middle is B for ball. So speak the example.
Okay. It's yeah.
Belen.
Bian.
Belen.
Bian.
Belen. First of all,
Belen.
Belen. Yeah.
Oben.
Hmm.
Oben.
Hmm.
Quack.
Corp. Yeah.
And jeep.
Corp and Geep.
Or
Geep, geep.
Belen, Oban, Quap, and Jeep.
It's not jeep, it is geep. G for gun. Geep.
Okay. Okay. Geep.
Geep.
Okay.
G. Okay. Geep.
Belen,
Hmm.
Oben, Quap, and Geep.
Correct. Belen, Oben, Corp, and geep. Okay. Next is C.
Geep,
C
okay.
is having the K sound. Okay. C is having the K sound. So speak the example.
It's camping.
Camping. Okay. Camping. It's an
Camping.
English word. They have taken from English, so you can speak like camping also.
Okay.
Right? Yes.
Okay.
Then next is D. D is having two sounds. Okay. In the end it is D, and beginning or middle is in the end it is T, and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay. In the end it is
Okay.
in the end it is T, and beginning or middle is D for dog.
Like.
Okay. Right. So speak the example. First example.
It's
Doom.
first thing is Doom.
Next.
Doom.
Yeah.
Second, it's Bad.
Bida.
Badush.
Bida.
Badud.
Next. Doom. Bida. 1 minute. Let me change my network.
Am I right, sir?
Yes. Repeat again. Doom. Bida.
Hund, Bider,
Wieder.
Bad.
Wieder.
and Hund.
Wieder. Wieder. Speak. Wieder.
Wider.
Next.
Wieder.
Bart.
Next, Bath. Then Hund.
Hunt. Not hunt. Hunt.
Acha, Hunt.
Okay.
Hunt. Okay.
H-A-N-D. Doom. Bida. Wieder. Bart and Hunt.
Hund, Wider, Bath, Wider, and Hunt. Okay, sir.
Hunt. Next. F. F is having the first sound. F is having the first sound. So speak the example. Foul. F-A-U-L. Foul.
Foul. Foul.
Next.
Okay.
Shaft. S-C-H-A-F. Shaft. Okay.
Shaft.
Correct.
Because
Yes.
yeah, because it's SCH. SCH sound will be sure.
Sure.
That's why it's sharp.
Yes, yes. And after A it is one consonant, so that is the R sound. Okay, shaft.
Okay.
Correct.
So one more query is there.
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah, let's start again. So I've shared my screen. So D. D in the end is T, and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay, beginning or middle is D for dog. So
Okay.
speak the example.
Okay.
Speak the example. Doom.
Doom.
Next.
Bad.
Bida.
Bider. Wider.
Hmm.
Bath.
Hmm.
Or
Hunt.
Hound.
Hunt. Okay. Next.
Hund.
Hunt, not hunt.
Hunt.
It's hunt.
Yeah. Hunt. Okay.
Yes, yes. Next is F. F is F-A-U-L. Okay. F is for only. So speak the example F-A-U-L. Foul. Okay.
Foul.
Yes. A-U is ow. Foul. Next. Shaft.
Sharp.
Shaft. Correct.
Shaft.
Yes. Good. Next. G. G in the end is K. Okay. G in the end is K, and beginning or middle is G for gun. G in the end is
K for kite, right?
Yeah, in the end is K, and beginning or middle is G for gun. So speak the example. Gegen.
Okay. Gagan. Dark.
And
Okay, look.
Okay. Gegen, Tag,
Look,
and
okay.
Klug.
Look.
Okay, got it?
Gagan, Dark, and look.
Correct.
Okay.
Next is H. H in the first position is her. H in the first position is her. Middle or end it is silent. Okay. In the first position is her, and middle or end it is silent. Okay.
Silent. Okay.
Correct. Right. So speak the example.
Halt.
Halt. Yeah.
Halt. Gayan.
Then gain. Halt. Gain.
Gain.
Hmm.
Zoyan.
Zayan.
Zayan.
Halt. Gain and Zayan. Zayan. Okay.
Zen.
Correct.
Halt, Gain, and Zen.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good. Then next is J. J is having the ear sound. Okay, J is having the ear
Yeah.
sound. So speak the example. Younger. Okay, younger. Speak
Okay.
the example.
Younger. Okay. Younger.
Hmm. Next is
Then
KLMNP. KLMNP is having the same sound ka la ma na pa. Okay, KLMNP is having the ka la ma na pa
same.
same sound. So speak the example,
Okay. Sir.
right? Speak the example,
Okay, sir.
classa. Hmm. Classa,
Example will be close,
classa. Yeah.
classer,
Hmm.
chicken,
Hmm.
cleaner, killer,
Keller. Yeah.
color, color,
Hmm.
will,
Hmm.
Ottoman,
Hmm.
shrimp,
Hmm.
renew,
Renan.
prawn,
Renan. Renan.
renan,
Hmm.
renan,
Hmm.
prawn,
Hmm.
lip,
Lipper.
lipo,
Lipper. Okay.
lipper, okay,
Yes.
lipper,
Yes.
okay, lipper, because it's
Correct.
E in the end, it's lipper, okay.
Okay. Got it now?
So one query is there, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
The- When so one query is there. Query is this, like a vowel, like in second last example,
Hmm.
it's showing is A and U.
Hmm.
So what will
Hmm.
the sound of this?
Brown. AU is ow, na? AU is ow. Okay. I told you in F also. AU is ow.
Okay,
Okay.
how?
See here I told you na in F that AU is ow. Okay.
Okay,
Got it? AU
okay,
is
sir, got
having
it,
the
got it,
ow sound.
got it, sir.
Yes. So now open the PDF. Revise from B till P. Okay. Revise all the consonants.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Revise everything from B till P.
Okay, sir.
From B till P, okay? Revise all the rules. Done from B till P?
Done, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so start now from B, okay? Repeat the rule and then speak the example after that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Start from B. Yeah, start from B.
Yes, sir. Okay, in B is having B. If the first letter of B will be there, its the sound will be per.
Hmm.
If it is there in middle,
Hmm.
it it will be B only, right, sir?
Yeah, beginning or middle is B for Bombay, okay? Only in the end it is
Okay.
for.
Okay.
Hmm.
If B is there in first word, it will be B for Bombay only. If it is there in a last, it will be
Hmm.
per. Per
Hmm.
sound will be there, right?
Yes, 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 correct. Then
For
next,
example, it's Bian,
Belen,
Oban,
Belen.
Quap, and Jeep.
It's not Jeep. Again,
Belen.
again same mistake. Geep, not Jeep.
Okay.
Okay.
Keep. Okay,
Yeah.
keep.
Hmm.
Keep.
Hmm.
Bian, Oban, Quap, and Keep. Then
Hmm.
C is having a sound of K.
Hmm.
K for kite.
Hmm.
It's the for example, it's camping.
Hmm.
Or you can say it's camping, the same word, because it's
Yes.
an English word,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Yes. Next,
And
D.
D D is having a sound of T.
Hmm.
For example, it's doom.
Hmm.
DOOM, doom.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then then Badu,
Bada. Bada. Okay.
Badder. Okay,
Hmm.
Badder.
Hmm.
And Widder,
Hmm.
Bath,
Hmm.
Hunt.
Hunt. Okay.
Hunt.
Doom, Bida,
Okay,
Vidar,
Hunt.
Bart, and Hunt.
Widder,
Next,
Badder, Hunt.
F.
Okay. Then the F sound will be for.
Hmm.
For example, foul.
Hmm. Foul.
The A and U will be O sound. O.
AU will be
Then
ow.
it's
AU will
called
be ow.
foul.
Ow. Hmm. Hmm.
Then second example will be shaft, because
Hmm.
the SCH sound will be sh.
Hmm. Yes.
That's why
Yes.
it's shaft.
Yes. Yes.
G, whenever it's coming in middle or starting, it's gun,
Hmm.
like G for gun.
Hmm.
And whenever
Hmm.
it's will be end, it's gagan.
Hmm.
Gagan,
Gagan.
tak,
Hmm.
and look.
Gagan, Tak, and Luke.
Gagan, tak, and look.
Luke.
Then
Then.
H will be if you go in first or middle, it will be H for hand. And
Hmm.
if you go in last, it will be
Hmm.
the sound will be silent. H will be silent over there.
Hmm.
For example, it's Halt,
Hmm.
Gagan, and Zoan.
Hart, Gayan, and Zayan.
Zayan.
Okay.
Halt,
Hart,
Gagan,
Gayan,
and Zayan.
and Zayan. Right. Then J. J is having
Then
the ya for yellow sound. Okay. J is having the ya
J is like
sound.
J sound.
Hmm.
For example, it's Jung. Jung
Younger.
means boy.
Younger. Younger. Hmm.
Younger. Younger.
Hmm.
Younger. Then KLMNOP, it will be KLMNOP. Pa. Right, sir?
Yeah.
For
Example.
example, close,
Hmm.
closure,
Classer, not
closer,
closer.
classer, okay. Classer,
Hmm.
chicken,
Hmm.
color, will,
Hmm. Hmm.
Atman,
Hmm.
shrimp,
Yeah.
renew,
Hmm.
renew,
Renan, not
brown,
renew. It's Renan.
renan,
Hmm.
renan,
Hmm.
brown,
Hmm.
lipper.
Leper. Okay. KLMNOP. So
Okay,
brown and then leper.
okay.
Right?
Right, got it, sir.
Okay. KLMNP. Right. Now let's move ahead. So we'll take the next rule. Next one is Q. See here, see my screen. Q always comes with U in German. Okay. Q always comes
Okay,
with
sir.
U and the QU sound is Qu. QU sound is Qu.
Okay.
Okay. QU sound is Qu. So speak the example Quer.
Square.
Okay. QU sound is Quer.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Square.
Yes. Then next is
Square.
R. Next is R.
Okay.
R is riser. R is R, glottal R sound. Okay. R is having the glottal R sound. So that is riser. Speak the example. Riser, brooder, and Schwester.
Right.
Okay.
Riser, Router, and Schwester.
Yeah.
Okay.
Riser, brooder, and Schwester. Clear? Okay.
So one more query is there. Whenever
Hmm.
the which we had learned in previously, like SCH coming is sh sound, right?
Hmm.
Schwester.
Hmm. Yeah. SCH is sure sound. Correct. Okay.
Okay. And so whichever the last word is there R. So what will be the spell of this? Swish.
Schwester.
Swish.
Schwester.
Okay. Okay. Schwester.
Yeah.
Got it, sir.
Right.
Got it.
Yes. Next is S. Single S is the, double S is sir. Okay. Single S is the and double S is sir. Right. So speak the
Okay.
example.
Zingen.
Hmm.
Zingen.
Yeah.
Sha.
Zingen and
Sha.
Schloss.
Schloss. Okay.
Yeah. Zingen and
Schloss.
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 Correct. Okay. Next is T. T is T for tomato. Okay. T is
Okay.
T for
Okay.
tomato. So speak the example. Tanken and
Dress.
Ratten.
Duncan and
Ratten. Okay. Tanken
Rattan.
and
Okay.
Ratten. Got it?
Duncan and Rattan.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Tanken and Ratten. Good. Next, after
So I
that,
have one query.
tell me. Yeah, what happened?
सर जैसे कि आपने जितनी भी आपने एग्जांपल बताया सर मुझे
Hmm.
इसमें जैसे कि जो जिसका जो भी साउंड है तो उसके साउंड के हिसाब से अपन को प्रोनाउंस करना है राइट
Mm-hmm. Yes. So you have to revise these letters all. Okay, one by one.
ओके
Okay. So
ओके सर
obviously we have to
गॉट इट
use
सर गॉट इट
that particular sound only. Hmm.
ओके सर
Okay. Yeah. So now I have sent you the second
Okay.
file also on the mail. Okay. I have sent you the second file also.
Okay.
So revise, open that and revise from Q till T. Revise the first page of that. Q R S T.
Okay.
Revise that first. Okay. And then we'll discuss them again.
गॉट इट सर गॉट इट
Yeah.
Swister. So I have one query, sir.
Yeah.
So the query is like Q sound will be Q only, right?
Q always comes with U. QU is poor. Okay.
Okay.
QU is having the qua sound, qua, right? Queer.
Qua.
Hmm.
Like
QU is having the
Guafina,
qua sound,
like
so that becomes queer. Queer.
a square. Okay.
Queer. Queer. QU is poor, so
Square.
that becomes
Square.
queer. Yeah.
Square. Okay.
Hmm.
And T will be E. Long E, right?
Which,
T sound will be long E and short E.
which
T,
one?
right?
Which one? Which one?
T sound will be T.
No, T is T. T is T for tomato only. Long T and short T, nothing like that. Only T for tomato. Okay, tongue
Okay.
and rotten. That long E short E is in I. I is different. T is different. Okay.
Okay.
This is T, na?
Got it.
T. T is different thing. I is different thing. Long E short E is in I. Vowel. This is consonant T.
Okay.
T is having ka sound only.
Okay.
Hmm.
And so the R sound will be
Ra plus ha mix. Ra. Okay. Riser, brooder,
okay.
Chester, like this.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Got
So
it.
come here now. Speak the rule of Q. Speak the rule of Q and then the example. Okay.
Okay. The Q sound will be
Hmm.
qua, like
Hmm.
queer,
Hmm. Yeah.
pure,
Hmm.
queer and cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then
Hmm.
R sound will be
Hmm.
raw, like guttural.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Glutteral R
Like
sound. Raw. Glutteral means raw. Okay. So speak the
okay, guttural
example.
means
Riser.
R sound will be there.
Yeah. Okay.
So, like example will be
Hmm.
broad,
Hmm. Riser, brooder, and
broader and
Schwester. Okay.
riser, broader and twister,
Yes. Riser, brooder, and Schwester. Correct.
twister. Then
Next.
S sound will be
Hmm.
Z for zoo,
Hmm.
shaw, and double S sound will be sir.
Yeah. Single S is a, double S is
Example,
sir.
for example, is zinger and schwar,
Zingen and Schloss.
charge,
Yes. Zingen and Schloss.
slosh.
Next.
Then T sound will be
Hmm.
T sound will be t,
Hmm.
like dragon
Hmm.
and dragon,
Hmm. Yeah. Okay.
dragon and dragon, right, sir?
Tanken and Ratten.
Then yeah, V sound will be for
Hmm. Correct. Fur. V is fur and W is fur. Okay. V sound is fur and W is ver. So speak the example. Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Yes. Volkswagen. So Fox means people and wagon means car. That's why it's called Volkswagen.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
So this is how we have to do this. Volkswagen. And speak the remaining
sir, got it.
examples now. Feel.
So your
Feel.
voice is breaking.
Yeah, I'm saying speak the remaining examples. Feel, for, speak this also.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
W stand for V, right,
Yeah,
sir?
V is for and W is ver. Okay, V is having the fur sound and W is having the ver sound. So that is feel.
Okay.
Feel. Next, for.
Fall,
Hmm.
feel, feel, for,
Hmm.
was,
Wasser.
wasser,
Hmm.
wasser,
Hmm.
begin,
Hmm.
V.
Wo. Feel for
Oh,
Wasser, vegan and wo.
okay.
Okay.
Visser, organ, begin and go. Okay.
Yes. Next is X. X is X only. Okay, this is X. X is X sound only. Same X sound. So speak the example. X is Strahlen.
Okay.
Okay. X
X
is
is dragon,
Strahlen. Yeah. Speak the example. X is Strahlen.
X is dragon,
Correct. Next is Y. Y is Ui. Y is Ui sound. So speak the example. Twip.
tip,
Twip. Okay. Y is Ui sound. So
tip,
speak the example. Twip. Correct.
whipped. Okay.
Next is Z. Z is having the TS. Ta and sa mix. Ta and sa mix. Example. Sight and sook. Speak. Sight and sook.
Side and soak,
Yes. Z is having the sound mix of ta and sa. So that becomes sight and sook.
side and soak.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So just revise them again. Revise the second page from V till Z. Okay. Revise it for 2 minutes, or you can start directly. Speak the rule of V and speak the example. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So feel.
So then V sound will be for
Hmm.
F for football. It is like
Hmm.
V will be fox,
For feel for next.
fox.
Hmm.
Then W sound will be
Hmm.
wagon,
Volkswagen. Okay.
Volkswagen.
Hmm.
Then
Next.
W sound will be war.
Hmm.
It's for example, it's feel,
Feel. No, that is V.
for,
That is V. That is V. V-I-E-L.
Feel.
Feel.
okay, B, feel,
Hmm. For.
will for,
Hmm.
whistle,
Wasser.
vegan,
Hmm.
wasser, and
Hmm.
war.
Wasser, vegan and wo. Okay. Feel for Wasser, vegan and wo. Next X.
X sound will be X only,
Hmm.
like X, like
Extralen.
X, external,
Hmm. Next. Y is Ui. Twip. Speak. Twip.
whipped.
Hmm. And Z is TS. Okay. Ta and sa. Z is ta and sa. That is sight and sook. Right?
Okay,
That is sight and sook. Got it?
okay.
So this is
So
how
I have,
we have to do.
so one more query is there, sir.
Yeah.
So whichever the alphabet is Y,
Hmm. Hmm.
so why I can't pronounce it properly, sir? Can you
Y
just
is Ui.
give me
Ui
a
sound. Ui.
Ui.
Speak twip. Twip is the example. TYP twip.
Okay, TY.
Yeah. The
Okay.
sound is you have to learn the sound. Simple. Okay. Learn the sound. Y is Ui.
Okay.
So that becomes twip.
Okay.
And Z is ta and sa. Z is mix of ta and sa. So that becomes sight and sook.
Okay.
Okay. Got it now?
Got it, sir.
Okay.
Got it, sir.
Good.
Got it.
Yes. So let's do till here. Okay. Give me a minute. Let me close this. Yeah. We'll do till here. Revise everything properly before next class. Okay.